Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at, you guessed it, another sonic screwdriver. This time it's the 5th Doctor's sonic screwdriver, Mr. Peter Davison. And here it is, this is the character options version. You may notice it's looking a bit battered, a bit worn out, a bit destroyed. That's because this is my destroyed version of the prop, or of the toy, whatever. So yeah, basically this is just a normal character options 5th Doctor sonic screwdriver. I think this is probably one of the first 5th Doctor screwdrivers they actually got, and then over time it just got battered and scratched and slightly bent, and so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna fuck it up a bit more and make it into a destroyed version. So it's still got batteries in, as you can hear. So it does all the lovely sound effects. So yeah, basically this is just scuffed up with a bit of shoe polish on there as well. Scratch some of the paint off on the yellow ring section there. I mean on the white, Jesus, on the white ring section, it's not yellow. And yeah, scratch some more paint off on that bit up there. See all the scrapes on there, bit of shoe polish on there, a few dints here and there as well. Yeah, I'm not really sure why I decided to do that. I think it's just because I had one that was fairly scratched up and I got the new one in the collector's set, so I thought, why not? A little comparison here for you. So yeah, you can see how scraped up this one actually is. Yeah, so obviously the prop that was used in the classic series was the same prop used from John Pertwee, Tom Baker and then Peter Davison, and then they decided that they weren't going to use the screwdriver anymore, so it was destroyed. But they didn't actually destroy the main screwdriver prop. They had a stunt one made out of resin, some sort of plastic material, and then they set that on fire and blew that up. So I didn't want to damage mine too much because I still wanted it to actually function. But I think it looks alright, you know. It looks a lot better when it's displayed next to the other destroyed props, like the destroyed collection. So I'll probably do a video with them all together soon, all the destroyed props. But for now I just thought I'd show it off next to a normal one. So there we go, little short video for you today, so I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.